How to create responsive slides in HTML JavaScript. Start by creating two div wrappers. Insert the slides inside. In the CSS, set the wrappers and slides to the same dimensions. Lay all the slides in a single row. Set the inner container to Flex Layout, no wrap. Disable Flex Grow and Shrink. Prevent the slides from resizing. With that, we can now deal with the slides mechanics. The idea is to set the wrapper to relative position. Offset the right to show different slides. Then, hide the overflow to only show one slide. Lastly and optionally, design each slide as required. To add controls to the slides, insert a Last and Next button. For this example, we will place them on the left and right sides accordingly. Hide the buttons by default, only show on mouse hover. In the JavaScript, loop through all the slides on window load. Add a flag to track the current slide and the total number of slides. To move the slides, call a slider function on clicking the buttons. Increment or decrement the current slide accordingly. And update the right offset. To scroll the slides automatically, simply attach a timer to call the slider function. On updating the current slide, reset and recreate the timer. That's all for this short tutorial. Like and subscribe for more.